The 4 career secrets nobody told you about. Dominate 2025 with these game-changing tricks. Success in your career doesn't happen by accident. It happens with a plan. By focusing on key areas, you can make 2025 your best year yet. Here are 4 simple tricks packed with easy-to-follow tips to help you reach your career goals. 1. Build a resume that shows who you are. Your resume is more than a list. It's your story on paper. Here's how to make it stand out. Tailor it. Change your resume for each job. Highlight the skills and results that match the role. Use strong words. Start sentences with action verbs like led, built, or solved. For example, write, increased sales by 150% instead of handled sales. Focus on results. Use numbers to show your achievements. Don't say, managed a team. Instead, say, led a team of 10 and improved output by 20%. Keep it clean. Use simple fonts and short bullet points. Make sure it's easy to read and keep it to 1 page. At Schedule Success, you'll get one-on-one help to make your resume shine. Pavlos Mavromatis will help you create a resume that gets noticed. 2. Master job interviews. A good interview can change everything. Here's how to get ready. Do your homework. Learn about the company's values and recent news. Show how you can fit in. Practice answers. Go over common questions like, what are your strengths? But make sure your answers sound natural. Show excitement. Smile, sit up straight, and make eye contact. How you say something matters as much as what you say. Ask questions. End the interview by asking things like, what does success look like in this role? It shows you care. At Schedule Success, you can practice with mock interviews. Pavlos will help you feel calm and ready for any challenge. 3. Take control of your money career success isn't just about making money. It's about managing it. Here's how to start. Set a budget. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your money for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Save automatically. Set up automatic savings. Even $50 a month can grow over time. Track spending. Use apps like Mint to see where your money goes. Adjust your habits as needed. Invest wisely. Look into simple investments like index funds. Start small and watch your money grow. Pavlos offers tailored finance tips at Schedule Success. You'll feel confident about your money and your future. 4. Grow your network. Success isn't just about hard work. It's about building connections. Here's how to do it. Go to events. Join online and in-person meetups, conferences, and webinars. Have a short intro ready. Be genuine. Focus on listening when meeting people. Afterward, send a thank you email or LinkedIn message. Find a mentor. Reach out to someone you admire. Ask for advice on a specific issue. Help others. Offer value by sharing helpful tips, making introductions, or supporting projects. At Schedule Success, you'll learn how to build lasting relationships. These connections can lead to mentorship and new opportunities. Take the first step. 2025 is your year to take charge. From resumes to relationships, Schedule Success will guide you. Don't leave your career to luck. Schedule your success today. Visit Schedule Success to take control of your future. For more information about Schedule Success by Pavlos Mavromatis, please visit hps/pavlodegreco.com/mavromatis/schedule-success-pavlos/. Find Schedule Success with Pavlos email pavlos@pavlodegreco.com. Text 1-678-9298-689.